welcome you into my YouTube channel. You can see that it took some times. I'm very busy. That is why you don't see me online. So I welcome you back. We want to look at the analysis for this week, what the market is going to tell us. Before we move on, I want you to just click my YouTube channel, subscribe it, like it, turn on the bell notification so that anytime I drop the another wonderful video analysis, you'll be able to first person to just see it. Maybe you are just the first timer that you see, you come across this YouTube channel. It's a very powerful analysis. It's a weekly analysis that I normally do. Is what the market is going to do, what are we looking for, and the analysis will come from the weekly chart. So we'll be able to know this, what the market is going to give us this week. My analysis is very simple. I don't complicate myself. I use a straight and straight analysis. You understand? We know that we have a different analysis together. We have a different analysis together. We have a different strategy. And I believe that all the strategy that we are using is also applicable. It's also welcome since you understand it very, very well. The major challenges is that you need to understand the strategy that you are using. Understand it. So I don't condemn any strategy that somebody is using. So what I'm using is a top-down analysis with a supply and demand. This is only what I'm using, and it's very simple, straight, not complicated. So I want you to follow me what the market is going to tell us this week. So once again, if you just come across this YouTube channel, I want you to do us subscribe it to it, like it, share it to the other people, so that anytime that I drop the analysis together, you are going to be the first person to see this a great opportunity. Let us divert into the chart. Maybe before I move on, you want to learn how to become a profitable Forex trader. You can subscribe. My link below is under this video. Like it, contact me, DM me, and you want a profitable and a well broker that is okay. You can also there, maybe you want to trade the synthetic like deriv, you want to trade the currency, everything is down my below my under this video. Click it and register. Click it and register. So let us divert into our chart. So the first thing I want to look at it is a BTC. You want to look the BTC. What is the BTC telling us? I want to pick the chart from the weekly chart. The weekly chart. Let us see what is the weekly is telling us. We are in the uptrend. And the uptrend market. The market is giving us a buy mode. We are in the uptrend. The buyer are in charge. The buyer were in charge. We have the higher low. So this is the market giving us an uptrend market. We are still continuing the uptrend market. The market is buying. We know BTC is a crypto. It's a crypto. BTC is a crypto, and the market is now giving us what? The market has given us a buy, and the crypto is 24 hours. That is 24/7. That is every day. The crypto is what is going. Any crypto level, you are trading it every day. Is every day, including the Sunday, including the Monday. Every day the crypto is working because it's a crypto. And anyone that I just pick the BTC to run the analysis for you. I just click a BTC to run the analysis for you. So we are seeing my chart here. You can see this is my chart here, and I've already marked out all the key levels, the supply, the demand, the key levels. Market already giving the face where the market take the reaction. The market take the reaction through what? Through a key level. You can see it. Let me pick it. This is a recent reaction area, and you see the market is now coming down from here. Market are giving me the higher, that is higher high, higher low. You understand? Market break this one, then give us the higher low again, picking from the higher high to the higher low. Also applicable, the market go up like that, it give us the pullback. This is the reaction area. It go back again, the market now pull back again, pull back, giving us a market structure. This is a pure market structure where we see recently now the market have already picked it here. Let me zoom it up here and let us see it clearly. The market have already do what? The market have already going back for a bear. So this week alone, the market starting to buy. We are in a buy trend market, whereas the market will go up again. You understand? We don't know yet, but we already know what the market is. It might go up, pull back here, then go up here. We don't know yet. This is a weekly chart. This is a weekly chart. You understand? For right now, we are in what? Are in the buy. We are not going to sell. This is not sell. Market just finished the pullback finish about 2 weeks ago. This is the week, this new week here. This is another pullback here. The market started from here in a candlestick pattern. In a candlestick pattern, market is already give us a morning star. The market is already give us a morning star to do what? To enter for buy. This is a solid confirmation. This is a weekly chart. Then we are moving down to the daily chart, the daily time frame. Okay, we have seen it now. This is it. We are on the daily. Today, what the market has already coming down, the market continue. He want to pull back small. The market want to do what? To pull back here. This is our area. I'm breaking it down for us to see how it's going to happen. What you want to trade for, we know that inside the sell, we see the buy. Inside the buy, we see the sell. Yes, the market might be to pull back here and continue to do what? To buy. The market needed to pull back here and continue to do what? To buy. So in the daily chart, in the daily time frame, market continue again. The market continue again. So I'm expecting now the market to pull back here. So what am I looking for? I'm expecting the pullback here. The market started from the yesterday. The market give us a pin. So I'm expecting the sell here. So we look at the weekly. You see the weekly continue to buy. Yes, we see the buy inside the weekly. Recently, in the daily chart, market starting to do what? To pull back little bit before it moves up. So I'm expecting today, yesterday, today, tomorrow, market is pulling back. You understand? The market is pulling back. So let us go to the 4 hours. What the 4 hours is saying. You can see it here. Don't mind all this one. I just use it for what is an indicator. Just giving me the a section. The market is now coming down here. The pullback started. So if I decide to pull back, the market is going to pull back here. A major one. The market is going to pull back is here. You understand? Before what? It moves up. So this is for the BTC. How the market is going to do. You can see the faces of the market. You can do what? You can clear the sell if you love it. If you love it, you can enter the sell before the market go. You can trade it. You can trade the sell before the market continue to do what? To move back for the buy. Or you don't want it, let it slide, wait for the market from here and what? And go back. And go back. This is the 4 hours and this is a 1 hour. This is the 1 hour. Do you know that the market can respect any of these? This is the major. You know how the movement of the market, it can respect any of these 1, 2 before the market move back. It can respect here and turn back. It can respect here and do what? And turn back. So you are just waiting for the market. You are this today, tomorrow market is want to pull back inside the buy. While the overall market is saying the market is bullish. But right now, market are now pulling back. Market are now reversing back. Wherever you belong to, either what, either a day trader, a swing trader, a scalper, fix yourself into it. I just show us the clear of the market or what market is saying. Wherever you belong to, you can know, you can fix it. Right now, the market are now pulling back. The market are now pulling back for itself. If you know how to trade it, you can join it and trade it. If you don't want to trade it, then leave it to when the market is now going to back to a trend of the market, overall trend of the market. This is a BTC. Let's move down to the GBP USD. Let's go back to the weekly. Let me clear my charts so that you can be able to see it clearly. I'm clearing my charts. Okay. What do we understand the market is doing? In the last 2 weeks, though I'm not here, I'm busy, but what I've already said, when the market are here, I told us that the market are ranging, but the originality of the market is going back to here. You understand? Let me zoom it small and so that you can understand it better. You can understand it better. This is the weekly chart. Let us see it very well. Let me zoom in so that by the time I'm explaining to you, you will understand it better. Yeah. Do you see it? Everything is already laid down in the way we see it. This is the GPUSD. The market have been the downtrend. The market already been in what? In downtrend. If I use the trend line, the market is giving me the sell. The market is already pulled late back. We are still in it. You see it now. So this is it. The market is already giving me the attitude of the breaking the trend line in the weekly chart. You need to understand. Let me start from here. Unless I use it from here, market and the downtrend. If I pick it from here, I believe this one is here and this one is a supply demand. This is a supply and this is a demand. This one is already go too far. This is it, how the market looks alike. You need to understand before you can trade any trade. You need to understand the chart first. That is the first priority for you. Look the trend of the market. Look the trend of the market. You have to understand what the market is saying before you jump into it, before you jump into the market, before you trade anything. You need to understand. Then your strategy, number 2, you need to understand your strategy very well. That is, you understand it very, very well. You understand it very, very well before you apply it. This market is already giving me a downtrend market. Where are we now? We are in this area now. You can see I bring out my supply, demand, and the key levels. What are the choices for me? Let me understand where the market is going to react. This is the weekly chart. Right away now, the market have already broke this level. This level where you see my cursor, the market approach my trend for a buy. You need to understand it very, very well. You need to do what? To understand it very, very well. Let's move down to the daily. Let me zoom it out again so that you understand it better. Okay. The weekly chart, then we are moving down to do. I'm expecting the market to reach here, either here or here. From here, from this area to here, I'm expecting it. So let's move down to the daily. We are in the daily chart. The market closed in a bearish last Friday. The market closed bearish. So I'm expecting this market to do what? To move down to here, to this trend line, or continue to break it to this level. This is in the key level. This is a key level. You understand? This is a trend line. You need to understand it. I'm expecting the market for a buy. That is number one. Another point two is the market give us what? A bullish head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder. You understand? Inverted head and shoulder pattern. This one is a chart pattern. This one is a chart pattern, head and shoulder. That is another criteria number two. So telling you that the market are now going to move forward to do what? To buy. You can see this area now, the market do what? Very, 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 very hard to break this key level. Let's move down to the 4 hours. So what are we expecting this week? Let me go back to the daily so that you will understand it better. This is it. How are we going to enter this market now? Until this is another one we are going to enter. Let's go to the 4 hours. Okay. This is the market. We are waiting for the market to break this price. The price is 136136. We are expecting the market to break it down. So you don't need to rush for the GBP USD. Just need to watch. Watch it down. Watch it down. We are expecting the market to break these key levels. Okay, yeah. You see, hard for it to break it. Hard. You are expecting the market to break this level, continue to buy, or want to sell. You don't know how the market move, but I'm seeing the buy. So we are expecting it to break it. So this is it for you. You have to be patient. You don't need to rush. We are expecting the market to break it and continue to buy. You can see inside of it, you see this is the 4 hours. You see what the market is now giving us. Inverted head and shoulder. You understand? Head and shoulder. The market continue to do what? To buy. This is the 1 hour. Let us see the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour. Yeah. Let me zoom it out. Okay. Let us apply our trend line. That is all my tools that I'm using. The trend line for a proper guidance. Okay. I love my trend line to do what? To valid. To do what? To valid. Let your trend line be valid. Don't switch it to your own taste. What is the purpose of the trend line? Is to tell you when the market try to cut for the sell. Market might reach here and turn back to do what? To sell. So the trend line will give you the clue of it. 1 hour. This is the 1 hour. The trend line will help you if the market try, but I'm seeing it's buy. So the market try to break it, then you can enter for the sell and pack it up. So this is the area. The key points of it is this area. This area for you to know, are you buying or are you selling? You understand? So are you buying or the selling? So if you are buying, you'll be able to understand what am I buying. You need to understand it. You need to understand the market clearly before you jump into any trade. You need to understand it very, very well. Unless you will see a buy and the market they are selling, the time you are entering the market, the position of the market, what the market are saying, the right time you enter the market. You need to read it and understand it very, very well. So this is for the GBP USD. The third one I'm saying is our gold. What the gold is saying, we need to let us look to that gold. I know that everybody love gold very, very well. Love gold very, very well. What is going is telling us this week. Let's move down. Okay. I will start all over again. The gold are still bullish. The gold are still what? Bullish. You can see it here now. Still going up, 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 up. Right away, we are in the 3643. The price of the gold is $3,643. So we are still expecting more buys. This is a gold. The weekly is telling us after some ranges, the market break. But 2 weeks ago, the market break from the ranges and continue to do what? To buy. So this is a weekly chart. We are moving down to the daily chart. This is the daily chart. The market continue to buy, but we are in the key supply demand key levels. Supply demand key levels. We see when the market break this key level and going to skyrocket and buy. This is the daily chart. We are here now. We enter another supply level. So market might decide to do what? To turn back. You can see a small range for 4 days here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days, the market range. But the market still on the buy. You understand? This is a small range here. Market might decide for this week to do what? To break it. You need to very, very careful. You may not trade tomorrow. If you are a swing trader, you need to see the market break it out before you enter for the market again. This is another key level. Here we are now. You might need the market to come out to give you a what? Pull back before you enter for the market. To do what? To say this is a daily market. We are still expecting the more buy, or the market might pull down back, give us a what? A retest. Market might decide to do what? To retest. We don't know yet. We don't predict market, but what? We need to understand the market. So the market might do what? Might pull back this week. We don't know yet. You have to wait for the market at the right time. This is the 4 hours. This is the 4 hours. The market small ranging. You understand? But the ranging is giving us something. So you need to wait for it. The market might turn to do what? To sell or to buy. Where we are now, the market in a zone level. Zone level. You have to give him a time. Give him, don't predict. Don't put buy for your mind. You understand? market might turn to sell. You don't even know. How do you want? Let us create it now. If the market want to sell, let us see it. So let me use not this one. Let me demonstrate. Okay. So if market really wants to go back for itself, then what the market, as this, this gold close on sell. On 4 hours, it close of sell. So the market might do what? Might turn down here. Assurance the market is going to sell after it break this 3619.2. If the market break this 3196, that definitely the market is going for a sell. For a solid confirmation for you, let the market break the 36192. You understand? That is it. That the market, when the market bring it, let me do it very okay. 6316. 6316 is definitely going to sell from here to here to here. You understand? That this market is going to pull back before it's said to buy. So let us see the 1 hour. I'm just giving you that a great opportunity, the secret that you need to do what? To follow. So if the market is going to sell, it's going to come down here. Then after I break it, you can enter it for a sell. That's a solid confirmation. The solid confirmation, because here market might reach here and turn back again. You know how the market are dancing around, dancing, and toil your emotion. You need to wait for the market. That is why in trading, the patient is 90%, while the trading is to what? Is 10%. So for you to enter this market, you need to do what? To have the patient. So let us use another tools again to confirm it for us. Let us use the trend line. You need to trade a quality trade. You need to do what? To trade the quality trade, not a quantity. Wait for the market at the right time. You understand? You can also use the trend line also to do what? To enter the market for a sell. You understand? So that your emotion will not be toyed around. Your emotion will not be toiled around. Before you can confirm your entry for the gold, let it break trend line either here or what, or here. This one give us a early entry for a sell. After the market break it give us an early for sell, while this one really give us a confirmation for the sell. That's all. Just simple as ABC. So if the market break it, pull back, you can enter after it comes out, pull back, then enter for a sell and coming down. But if you really want to wait the clear picture of the market, let it break this length, this green candle that are the price I've already called earlier. Let it break it and clear it to here. That is all. So this is what we are looking for the chart this week. Gold, we are looking for a sell or a buy when the market creates, give us the where we mark as our entry. Our entry is 1 hour as a day trader. As a day trader, your analysis from 4 hours or daily, while your entry is for 1 hour. As a swing trader, the weekly, the weekly and the daily and the 4 hours is an entry. You just need a three time frame. The overall, the middle, and the entry. So for the daily, I've already said that the swing, I've already said why the scalping is what is 1 hour, then 15 minutes, and the 5 minutes your entry. That is only what you need. You don't need to be stressed yourself. only the 3 time frame you need to run your analysis and the entry one. So before I go, I want you to you just come across this channel, subscribe to this channel, because a powerful analysis is going to be dropping every week. So you need to do what? To subscribe, like, share to the others. You understand? It's one thing that you need as a forex trader. It's the one thing that you need to understand the market. Well, understand the market, understand your strategy, understand your entry. Number 4 is where the area you meet the market. If the market is yet to enter, enter. If not yet, don't force it. Don't force to enter the market. Just wait for the right time to enter. Till next week, we are going to see another beautiful another analysis. I say goodbye for now. Thank you.